but we'll discuss that on Friday. We have an interview with Spencer House, who plays Wrigley, coming on
Hi
Friday, so that's
everyone.
very exciting.
So if you're a business owner, then Porter is your one-stop solution for goods delivery. अगर छोटा सामान है तो टू व्हीलर ऑप्शन है इनके पास, और अगर बड़ा सामान है तो इनके पास ट्रक्स भी है। पोर्टर के डिलीवरी ऑप्शंस अफोर्डेबल हैं, रिलायबल हैं और इजीली अवेलेबल भी। उन्होंने हमारे सारे हैवी और फ्रजाइल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स को सेफली मूव करने में हमारी हेल्प कर। सो एनीथिंग एनी टाइम एनीवेयर डिलीवरी है हो जाएगा।
Um, Hi everyone. I kept this session a little late today because we have news at 8:15, and just a second, I'm just posting this. We have a news at 8:15, red folder news. So we are anyway not gonna take any trades before that. So yeah, it's gonna be a very quick one. Okay, so let's start with Euro because I want to see a setup on Euro. So you can see that daily has been going up from few days, and even but the 4-hour time frame is going down from here, and 1 hour. What I'm looking for is the London lows of Euro to be swept before I take any buy trades. This needs to be swept before I take any trades. That is the first thing. And if I have to take a sell, then what do I want? One sec. 4 o'clock. One. If I want to take a sell, then I want sweep from here. Okay, this is 115, so maybe I can actually take a sell right now, but since this is equal highs, I will wait until the highs are swept. Maybe somewhere above this, if I get a setup. Let's see. Let's go and see NQ. Also, I'm looking at a very nice setup on Yoga today. Not really actually. My plan was the price will go here and then give me some sort of a setup, but it's anyway melting, so I don't think that is gonna happen. Let's see Euro. Maybe we get a setup on Euro if these liquidities are swept and then we have some sort of a structure like this, and I like to take a sell. Let's look at NQ or ES. It's the same thing. Interesting. So you can see on daily we have kinda equal highs, so I want that to be swept hopefully. Hey, what's up? Hi, how are you? I'm good. How are you? आज गोल्ड का क्या लगता है देखते हैं. I want some advice from you. So where should I message you? Discord. Your voice is little low. Let me know if it's better now. Favorite influencer. Thank you. Hello. XAU USD. Let's do that next after Nasdaq. Okay, guys. So this I'm marking and keeping because that seems like a nice level. Other than that, daily has been going down. 4 hours also going down. 1 hour. You can take either buy or sell both on NAS, I think today. So let's mark some good levels from where we can take some sort of trades. This is a nice demand area, sorry, supply area, but the volume is not great. This is a supply area. Let's see some sort of an imbalance. This entire area is an imbalance, and this is 130 candle. So above the 130 candle I have this entire area. I will mark this fair value gap and keep 2. So price can give me a short setup if it creates some structure like this here, or like this here, or like this here, then I can target the lows. Other than that, what I'm looking for, again, please do this after the news ends. Don't do it before the news. Let's see the 1 hour time frame. This is the London lows. If the price goes below London lows and give me some buy setup, I don't mind taking that as well. Yeah, that's what I have in mind. And if this candle closes like this at 8:15 and there is a bullish FVG here, then this can be a good area for you to take a buy as well. If this closes bullish, like this area can be a nice buy. I'm marking it in yellow because it is still a possibility. This is what I have in mind today. Euro, let's see what if it crosses and then gives me some sort of a setup. Let's quickly mark ES, even though ES and NQ are obviously the same. Let me see your questions. Do you guys have any questions so far? Okay, so daily chart is looking something like this. 4 hour, again, I am not very happy. Okay, so this looks like a nice place to take a short from. And if I have to take a long, then longs are actually here. I can ideally take a long from here. So if the price comes to this zone and then gives me some sort of a confirmation, then I don't mind taking a buy. But it needs to confirm with order flow, and I need that to happen after the news ends. Other than that, yeah, that's it for today. And looking at gold, I'm not looking for any setups today. I'll conduct another session where I explain yesterday's setup also. If you guys took the buy trade which I posted on the Discord yesterday, need to join your community, trading from a while, and need someone with whom I can talk. You can join my free Discord and you can talk to other people over there. I will link it here. You can join that. Due to floating PNL, I got breached as it went from 500 in gold and I didn't close it and it came down. I asked you guys to book your profits, that's why. Which prop firm is this? Which one are you trading? What time frame do you use to confirm trades on footprint chart? I have answered your question on Discord also. So basically I don't use a timing based candle, I use range bars. So when I'm trading ES, then I am using 20 range bars, 20 range footprint charts. You can watch my order flow video on YouTube, you will be able to understand it better. LiveX Capital, I'm not sure what that company is. Do you use deep charts? No, I use Atus. I can link that down as well. This is Atus. I use only Atus because I don't like any other. Due to floating VNL, I mark zones on higher time frame and trade 1 minute chart. Will order flow and footprint chart work good on 1 minute? Yes, it will. In fact, use a range chart. I'm telling you, a range chart is much better than a time frame chart. Try using that. Text me on Discord. I'll help you out with that. Okay, gold. Daily is going up, 4 hour is going up, 1 hour is going down. Okay, according to me, I cannot take a buy on gold until the price comes to this discounted area. Now it's up to you. Alright guys, I think Euro will give me some sort of a setup, but it is important to understand that price is going up, so if you take a short, you are going to be going against the main trend. Daily is bullish, 4 hour is bearish, kind of. I mean, it's retracing towards the downside. 1 hour is okay. I think let's see, guys. I'm looking at this stuff today. I'll let you guys know on Discord. Be active on Discord as well. Yes, yesterday's setup, let me just quickly explain it to you and then I have to go to trade. Yesterday I took a buy from one second, I'm so confused. Here is where I took my buy. This is how the chart was looking. Overall, gold is going and creating highs. It's creating all-time high. And you know that if you take a sell trade in gold right now, then you will probably get stopped out, because clearly gold is rising, going up, correcting, going up, correcting. Now it was here. According to the market structure, it should again go create a high and it has to take out this high. First thing, market structure. Then I always look for liquidity sweeps. I need liquidity sweeps. So what did I do? I just waited for some sort of a liquidity sweep to happen during the New York session. And these are the London lows. And this candle is 19, which is 7 o'clock, which is after the New York session opened. So the entire London lows were swept, a lot of liquidity was swept, and then we had a good breakout structure with a very strong candle. And then price came in, retraced a little bit. So since it retraced a little bit, now I know I can enter. And this is the low which took out the liquidity. So I have entered over here, and my target will be obviously the external range liquidity, which is, you know, here. But what I did is I took targets over here. Then you can see what happened. Price went up. That is it. All I do is timing, location. I also confirmed it with my order flow. Right now I can't show you that, it'll get complicated. Liquidity sweep, directions, entry. That is it. It's that simple, guys. I almost did 500 pips. The trade in my life almost to clear evaluation. Was it the trade which I gave you? What two time frames are important in forex and futures? I will say entry time frame should always be 5 minutes, and the most important time frame is 4 hour and daily, and 1 hour. That is according to me. So anyway, guys, you tell me who all took the trade which I gave you guys yesterday. I have broken it down. I will also make a separate video on it. I am really glad to see a lot of you guys took the trades, and a lot of you guys were able to clear your challenges because of the trade which I had given yesterday. Again, I know a lot of you guys just want the signals which I'm giving, and you just want to. I know a lot of people have taken the trade when I posted here, and they have booked all the profit, but they will not even join this live stream because they don't want to know why I told you guys to take this trade. The idea why I keep posting some trades here and there is because I want you guys to also learn why I'm taking a particular trade and not just making money and taking the signals and then just forgetting about it. You also need to understand why I post particular trades and why I take it and what's the logic behind it, because in the future you will also be able to take these trades without me having to tell you that this is where you have to take a buy. If you join the live streams every day and if you keep seeing this again and again, then it is just going to become it will just become something which is going to be very in the mind, in the tips of your hands, and you just know whenever you see a setup like this, whenever you see a liquidity sweep, you know that you have to take a trade. And if someone did not take partials, this is exactly why I keep asking you guys to always book partials. I used to be a person earlier who used to not like the idea and the concept of booking partials. But over time I realized that booking partials is important because price can reverse anytime. Am I saying that within a little bit of move, as soon as you get a little bit of profit, you have to book partials? No. Every time you book your target or every time you book your partials, there should be some sort of a reason why you are booking your partials. Whenever there is a reason for the price to go down, then you have to book. Okay guys, okay, I gotta go and trade now. It's at 8:11 and the markets are open, but news will be released. You can look at market AI. See, Euro USD is day trading slightly bullish, but it is slightly bearish, so we can take both the trades on Euro USD. So yes, we have news also right now in a bit. Hope you guys know that. So let's see. This is what is happening on ES right now. Hopefully we go and reach this level so that I can take a buy. Let's see guys. Anyway, if you guys want to, can you please explain the reason at the same time while you are giving signal in the Discord? I would love to, but it's really difficult for me to take the trade myself, do analysis, post it, explain it, and do all of that because I need to be quick too, right? How much payouts have you taken up till now and in how much time? I have taken payouts. I do not like to reveal the numbers, but the duration is in 2 years. Okay guys, if you are using Apex Trader Funding, if you're using Blueberry Funded, Blueberry Futures, Funding Pips, Funding Ticks, Apex, Alpha Futures, then you can use the coupon code SOMYA for an exclusive discount. And if you guys want a Funding Pips account, then I've posted a giveaway on my Instagram. Make sure to participate in it and good luck. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.